Tebby. I run S F Tebby Son. We're an independent garage based in Avonmouth. Been running about 50 years. A couple of years ago we moved to a purpose-built new site and offer everything that your car needs. We've always had a history of taking on apprentices over the years, with many of them still working for us today. These days I think it's even more important to take apprentices on. We're facing a major skills shortage in our industry with an ageing workforce and technology changes, so it plays a key part to help us grow our business. Many benefits to taking on an apprentice, but simply put, it helps us train up youngsters in line with our company values and processes. And at the end of an apprentice, we usually have high retention rates, with many of them staying us for many years to come. We currently have 2 apprentices. One's just entering his 2nd year, and another one we've recently recruited in the last few weeks. It's the first time we've ever had 2 apprentices run at the same time, so close to each other, but we're helping it all help them develop and they can bounce ideas off each other. Worked with City of Bristol for about 2 years now, having worked with another college previously. You've helped us find 2 apprentices now, and couldn't be happy with the service we've provided. The process couldn't have been easier. We've been guided through every stage, from putting an advert out to managing all the applications and interviewing the candidates. But there's so many benefits to having an apprentice. You won't regret it. I highly recommend it. They've been great helping us find apprentices. They've got a first-class training facility to provide ongoing training, and the tutors that come out really help our members of staff as well.